What's going on, dudes? Master of Trolling here, and today we are back in the Pistol or Knife Challenge. Now, in the last video, we were just going to this ritual, and we are gonna die. Probably. You don't know. Maybe I can clutch it. Can I clutch it? Can I redeem myself once again? Oh no. Can I redeem myself? Come on. Ugh. God, look how much zombies there. Okay, I would rather deal this side. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Okay, hurry up. Okay, we just need one more ritual. Just one more. See? One more ritual. Oh, hey, Shadow Man. Yeah, if you try to kill him, 5 rounds will pass, which would equal round 9, and we don't want that. It's basically a glitch, but I think Trick took it out. I'm not sure. Comment down below if he did. I'm not sure. I can't get the wonder weapon though. Oh, I can't get the wonder weapon. But I can get the sword, guys. If you didn't see part 1, I can get the but I can't turn to beast. Oh no. Is that it? Oh, there we go. Oh god. No! There we go. Alright, there we go. Alright. We have 35 points. Let's keep it going. I shouldn't be really excited, actually. I'm probably gonna die anyway. Okay, hurry, before the zombies come. Alright. I don't care about the portal door because I already opened up one. I don't need to open up a zillion. A billion. Or whatever. Alright, let's go ahead and open up this because I don't want to waste another beast. Alright, there we go. Right. This is the... Oh, crap. No, dang it, I thought I was gonna clutch it. Oh. Yep, I'm totally gonna die. Okay, we can do this. Oh, get away from me. Oh, since we spent money, we can get Jug. Oh, okay. Hurry up, I need some money. That I can get Quick Revive and Jug. Alright, there we go, we can go. No. Get away from me. Alright. If I die, I'm sorry, guys. I just know I'm gonna die. No. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't buy Jug right now. No. No. Oh. No. Oh. What? How did I clutch that? What? How? What? How did I clutch? I clutched it. Okay. Oh. Hurry. Buy Jug. Oh, good thing this pistol's really good. Right. Alright, guys, we got Jug. We barely survived. Alright, we don't have enough time to get Quick Revive. Oh, I can't get Quick Revive. Okay, let's buy this. Ooh, we got a Liquid Divinium. Whatever. Okay, ooh. Let's go ahead and go do the ritual, and if we're lucky enough, we can get Pack-a-Punch. But we need 5,000 points in order to do it, so yeah, there's basically a chance we can, there's a chance we can't. Hurry up. Oh! Help! Help! No! 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 Throw grenade. Throw grenade. I don't care anymore. Okay, I killed some people. I've probably killed 4. I turned someone into a crawler. Oh god. Come on. Come on, game. Come on. We did it! Yes! Oh, instant kill! Die. I'm scared. Oh god. What? Why am I not shooting at him? Come on, Margwa. Open wide. Awesome catchphrase. Oh no, I ran out of instant kill. Come on, Margwa. Come face me. Oh no, you closed it. You closed it. Alright. No! Alright. Just one more. Yes! Nuke, I don't care. Actually, I actually do care. Okay. I can't believe we survived that, but this is actually going pretty good. Alright, let's buy this. And let's go ahead and buy Quick Revive. And let's also buy RK5. Alright. Now RK5 is probably still pretty good. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm pretty sure I opened the door for this one. If I didn't, okay, I opened this one. Alright, let's go ahead and do the ritual thing. Right. Oh god. Ooh, there's a thing. Ah! Okay. Right. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and wall run. Let's not fail. Right. Let's go ahead and do this. Alright. And then the final step. Survive. Oh! If I get like at least a hit from wall running, then it's just instant death. I'm just saying it right there. It's instant death if I go and wall run and then get whooped one time. It's basically death. Just saying. Yes! I did it! We did it! Oh god, run! I thought there was more zombies. No? Yeah. I thought there was more. Oh yeah, the Margwa. Let's dance, Margwa. That's not fair. You get teleportation. Run! Run! No! No! Oh, come on. Can you just jump that one edge? Oh, I could have been killed. Oh, no. Anyways, dudes, hope you enjoyed today's video. Well, it's not the end, though. There is part 3, so subscribe to keep you notified, and I'll see you guys later.